What's up, YouTube? This is Joe, and you're watching Ink&Iron. Let's unbox a knife. Just picked this up in the mail today. This morning, actually. I'm on break at work. So, get this open. By the way, if you're seeing this label all washed out, I hit it with isopropyl alcohol. Apparently that's the key. Okay, so here we have a collab between CRKT and Ruger. Can probably guess what it is, or maybe not. Boom, whoa. Okay, this is heavier than I thought. Very nice. This is the heck is this thing called? Hold on. Okay, this is called the RTD, designed by Matthew Lurch. Hopefully you can see this. Get some specs while we're here. Alright, great. Anyway, I got this knife as a gift, so this is going to one of my friends, good friends, and channel viewers. I'm going to try and keep it a secret as long as possible, but I tend not to be very good at that. This flipping action is really nice. Lockup looks okay. It's a bit early, but I would expect it to be. And then the real charm of this is supposed to come when you flip this and spin this little wheel at the back. Hopefully you can see this coming apart. There we go. And boom. We are into the knife. It breaks down into 3 pieces, I think. 3. You take the blade out. Take the blade out. Boom. 3 pieces. And then to put it back together, well, actually let's get a quick look. You got Teflon washers in here. Stainless steel liner on one side. And it's pretty easy to not screw up putting your knife back, since you have to line up this little stop pin. You can see that. So let's see. Let's fold it closed. Okay, and now I think we just do this the other way. Yeah, there it goes. Do it the other way. Flip. There we go. Got it. It's a little tricky. Still works. Alright, that is sick, really super fast takedown technology designed by Ken Onion. This was originally seen on the Homefront by CRKT, but is now moving to cheaper designs. This knife is like, I think you can get these for like $30. But this is sweet. It feels great in the hand, and I will have more to say about it at a later date, but today was just an opening. I think maybe this will be a longer video, maybe it won't. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.